Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete or remove link from Linktree. If you need to clean up your Linktree page by removing a link you no longer want to show, the process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go through exactly how to find the link inside your Linktree dashboard and delete it properly so it no longer appears on your page. To begin, open your Linktree admin area. This is the dashboard where you manage all of the links that appear on your Linktree profile. Once you're there, make sure you are on the Links section, since that's where your active and saved links are listed. If you have multiple links on your account, take a moment to scan the list carefully so you can identify the one you want to remove. Next, look for the sample link, or whichever specific link you want to delete. Once you find it, move to the delete icon associated with that link and click it. This icon is typically placed near the controls for managing that individual item. Be careful at this stage to select the correct link, especially if several entries have similar titles or destinations. Taking an extra second here can help prevent deleting the wrong one by mistake. After clicking the delete icon, a confirmation prompt will appear. This extra confirmation step is there to help you avoid accidental changes. When you're sure you want to remove the link, click delete to confirm the action. Once confirmed, the link will be removed from your Linktree list. If your page updates automatically, the change may take effect right away. In some cases, it can help to refresh the page and quickly review your link list to make sure the item is gone. This is a simple way to verify that the deletion was successful. One helpful tip is to double check whether you actually want to delete the link permanently or just temporarily hide it. If your goal is only to remove it from public view for a short time, you may want to explore visibility controls in your dashboard later. But if you're certain the link is no longer needed, deleting it is the fastest option. And that's all it takes to remove a link from Linktree. As long as you open the Linktree admin area, find the correct link, click the delete icon, and confirm by selecting delete, the process should only take a few moments. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you manage your Linktree more confidently.